Oh, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking Night. Coming at you with a little recipe I've done. This is more kind of a side. I'm cooking a steak tonight too, but y'all have seen me cook a lot of those. I'm gonna do a crawfish stuffed potato. Really, really good. But let me start out with this, y'all. So what we're gonna do is right down here, I got the bowl, all right? Hopefully y'all can see that there. Sorry, I had to adjust my lighting. The little lighting thing on my camera broke, so I'm having to use my other lights. I'm gonna spray that potato, some of this duck fat. Meanwhile, I got my oven on convection bake. Get that nice. No, and by the way, I have washed the potato very well. Definitely want to do that, okay? Then you want to take like a fork or something. Don't really matter. Just knock a couple holes in it. Because you don't want this bad boy to explode. All right. And then I've got, this is some good seasoning I've been using lately. It's called this Everything Bagel Seasoning. It's got like sesame seeds and salt and stuff with pepper in it. I mean, whatever you want to season the outside of the potato with. You can use salt, pepper if you want to, just salt. I thought this stuff would be nice. But anyway, we're going to get this in the oven on 350 degrees. Check it about an hour. We just want to put that on there and show y'all that was the first step. So we'll get this other one done and I'll be right with y'all. So I got them on convection bake, 350 in the oven. We'll check in about an hour. All right, y'all, the potatoes pretty much done cooking. I'm gonna bring over the pan. So we're gonna make that wonderful crawfish sauce for it. A little butter right there. Then I'm gonna come in over here with some mushrooms, some sliced mushrooms. Okay. There we go. Just like that. Let those mushrooms saute for a few minutes. Just kind of simmer down a little bit, and I'll come right back to y'all as soon as those get simmered down. So here we go. Next step, I've got these mushrooms just sauteed like I want them, a little bit brown like that. All right, turn the fire down low. There's about a tablespoon of this lobster bouillon left in here. I mixed in the rest with heavy cream, so that's about 3/4 cup of heavy cream, at least a half cup with a lobster bouillon. I may add a little bit more heavy cream on in just a second. Come on here to the fridge. Yeah, that's great. More heavy cream. And then, look at this, from Oyster Bed Company. It's wonderful seasoning. Absolutely amazing. Garlic, butter, just flavoring every side of the world. Stuff is just fantastic. A little bit of that in there, all right? Then, what I'm going to do is just stir that around for a second as we reduce cream. I want to get that oyster bed, the Perrins seasoning mixed in there. Then I've got some of Miss Rubin's Creole Magic seasoning. I'll get a good Creole seasoning in there. Again, this is some crawfish and Creole flavor in there. Almost like we have a little crawfish bowl. Alright, so we got that. So we're gonna let all that sit there and simmer and just basically let this this cream reduce, y'all. And don't worry about it getting so thick because we're about to put the crawfish in there in a few minutes. And that's gonna really thin it back out. This crawfish gotta cook, okay? We got all that right there. Oh shoot, I'm messing up the stove. We made it be here sometime this week. Alright, there we go. As this comes together, y'all, it's really getting thick. I'm gonna put 3 little pats of butter in there. We'll stir that in. This will be right before we put the crawfish in. Alright, this what we want. Look, you taste it. It's super rich. But you gotta understand, we're gonna add a pound of crawfish tails. Gotta add Louisiana crawfish tails, y'all. And the wild caught American, don't get no farm raised, you know, nothing like that. All right, so we go from Louisiana certified Cajun crawfish tails. Got a pound of them right here. Put those in. Okay. You look for that certified Cajun on there. All right. Get nothing else. Let's just stir these in. Just like this. It's be absolutely wonderful. Now I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna sear my steak. This is your timeline for doing this. You got your potato done, sitting on the side, just keep them warm. You want to stir this in, all right? See how that sauce, everything's loosening up? This is these crawfish. These crawfish are going to sit here and simmer in this sauce. I got it on about a medium heat, all right? While we go out and we get our steak seared off. This is beautiful. Okay. One more thing I'm going to add to it here in just a second. We got some green onions. I don't know how I like those. There we go. One thing of green onions. And just let that all stir in. Like I said, just sit here and slow simmer. Because the crawfish are pretty much already cooked. They really need to heat up. Okay. Get some of that liquid out of them. Play in with that, all that cream and everything like that. Okay. See what we're doing here? Just got that beautiful. So, I'm gonna let that sit here and simmer. Give me just a second. I'm gonna get out there. I'm gonna get the steaks off the grill. Come back in here, and we'll put this plate together, y'all. Not far from being done now. It's heated up pretty good. Liquid's thinning out, and then we'll add some cheese to it. With some shredded sharp cheddar. Oh yeah. Wonderful, y'all. This is like it's cornless potato. You want your cheese on your potato. You want your butter, your cream, all this goodness. And once we turn down low heat now, just let all this just kind of marinate. Okay. We got that there. But that cheese, one more thing. Roll with y'all. Put the punches here. A little bit of cream cheese here left. So we want to do that. Put that in there. So we'll add to that creaminess. Make sure we get everything out of there. Let's see, got the heat on very low now. Just incorporating this cheese. Everything else is kind of thickening up. See how it's doing? Absolutely perfect. That's what we want, y'all. Alright, y'all, now I'm just pouring this over the potato. I just split this potato open. Just put all those wonderful crawfish right there over that baked potato. I'm gonna lay some steak on there. I'll come right back to you. We'll see the finished product. Y'all, this looks amazing. All right, y'all, that looks wonderful right there. You gotta bust in there and give that a try. Crawfish potato. Look at that. Ooh, man. It's hot. Let that cool for a second. But I definitely want to try it. Man, it's a hit. Especially right in the middle of the crawfish season. So, that's something else. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try some a little bit of the steak. I just see. Would you look at that? Look at that. Some of that crawfish stuff on there. Oh man. Thank y'all so much for watching. Again, please like my video, sub my channel. God bless, and y'all take care. And I will keep these videos coming. Y'all give me some suggestions of what you'd like to see.